welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya. Hope you guys are all doing well. So this video is continuation of the Just Herbs product review. So this video is part 2 of that. So in my part 1 video I have shared my opinions on hair care and body care range. So this video is all about their skincare, like Just Herbs skincare products. So I have showed the demo review, everything in this video, guys. So if you haven't watched part 1, like hair care and body care review, I have mentioned the link in the description box, so please go ahead and click the link to watch that video. And this video is all about their skincare, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and the previous video, guys. If you enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and if you have already used this product, let me know in the comments. So now without any further delay, let's continue with the skincare. So the first step in the skincare comes is removing your makeup. For that I have the Just Herbs Sapta gel, which is 7 waters. So this is the first Ayurvedic micellar water. This is the first time even I am using a micellar water in Ayurvedic, like using natural herbal products. So this is the outer packaging of the product. It looks like, let me open and show you the inside packaging. So this product contains 7 ingredients, the main 7 ingredients, which is the Triphala, Shallika, Tulasi, Chandan, Kas, Gulab and Narangi Phool. So these are the 7 ingredients which contains. So Triphala is 3 ingredients. So I don't know exact name. Let me read in the website. So Triphala contains Amalaki, Bhabi Taki and Hari Taki. So I don't know how to pronounce them. If I pronounce wrong, please excuse me. So all these ingredients hold the product like jasmine, mirha and vijam, which actually draws out the deepest layer of the makeup. I mean the impurities, dirt, whatever it has, it just removes all that without drying it your face. So additionally it nourishes, hydrates and tones and calms your skin. So whatever they claim in the website, it's definitely true. As you can see, I have used almost this much. I have used for 3 to 4 times to remove my makeup, and for my everyday makeup also it removed perfectly. For my heavy makeup also it removed perfectly. So it doesn't dry out your face like any other micellar water. It actually nourishes, hydrates and calms down your skin and it removes the entire makeup, even heavy duty eye makeup also. I'm gonna show you how I use this. So I'm gonna take 2 to 3 cotton pads. So because it's in the water form, I use the cotton pad to remove my makeup. I just drop the product like that. So it's a really an amazing product in the micellar water industry itself. So this is the first product I have seen that contains all the natural ingredients. You don't see any kind of SLS, parabens or any kind of toxic chemicals like that. It's made up of 99.2% natural products. It doesn't contain alcohol, any artificial ingredients. So definitely you can go ahead and try this one, guys. I did not see any kind of pimples or any kind of tingling sensation after using this product also. So I have wet my pad. I'm gonna remove my eye makeup first. So I'm gonna hold this product on my eyes for next 2 to 3 seconds or less than that. Let me soak the product like that. So once you set your pad completely, it just started removing your eye makeup. So I'm just going to rub like that to break out my eye makeup. Guys, as you can see, so there is no editing at all. So it removed my eye makeup completely. So I have only kajal left over. That's obvious. With any micellar water you can see the kajal. So I'm going to just rotate the pad and I'm going to remove the kajal thing. So seriously, it smells really nice, guys. Because of the natural ingredients, it smells divine. It feels that use me more like thing. So I'm gonna start removing my face makeup. So now you can see my original face. So it removed all my makeup like anything. I was using the matte foundation, so it has a really full coverage foundation. Even that it removed. so all my makeup came off. So guys, with the 2 pad itself all my makeup came off. I'm just going to splash some water and I'll come back to show you the next step. So guys, I just cleansed my face with a plain water. As you can see, almost my makeup is gone. Now is the time to move on to their next step, which is their face wash. So I have 2 different face wash with me. One is their Silk Splash Rehydrating Face Wash, which contains neem, bitter orange, and the other one is Aglow Neem Chandan Skin Purifying Face Cleanser. This comes in the powder form. So first I'm gonna talk about this one. As you can see how much I have used this product. It's almost 3/4 of the product bottle is over. Seriously, I have been using this product for last 2 months literally, and I can see the great result after using this face wash. First thing, it moisturizes my skin, it controls my acne, it made my skin smooth, finish, nourish, and everything whatnot. Guys, I'm a big fan of this face wash. Literally, after this also I'm going to buy the new one. This product contains neem and bitter orange. So neem is a really great ingredient for fighting against acne, antibacterial properties and whatnot. So you know about neem, guys. It contains neem in it and it controlled my acne like anything. As you can see, almost my acne is gone, only the scars are remaining. For the scars also I have been trying the Just Herbs products and it actually making the difference. So first I'm gonna take this one, this Silk Splash one. So it comes in the form of jelly kind of a texture. So I take 3 pumps for my face. So as you can see, it's a mild mustard orangey kind of a texture is there, almost like a transparent, not supremely. So I'm just going to lather it. It doesn't lather so much, so you need to take a little bit of water. So I'm going to take a little bit of water like that. So I'm just going to lather it and massage into my skin. Seriously guys, this product is amazing. If you are oily and acne prone skin, this is the one you need to try. So for my morning and evening also I have been using the same face wash. In between also I have been using the same face wash. So I massage this face wash next for 1 minute, like 60 seconds. So the 60-second method is really working for me. So I just count to 60 numbers and I'll wash my face. So guys, I just washed my face. As you can see, my skin is looking very glowy, and I just forgot to talk about more about the ingredients. It contains neem, bitter orange, aloe vera juice, calendula and chandan, so and other ingredients. So you get all the ingredients list and the percentage how much they have used. Unfortunately the package is gone because I have been using every day, so it's gone. So if you go to their website you can find every details. I really enjoy this face wash guys, especially for oily and acne prone skin girls. You can go ahead and try this one. So other than this, they have one more cleanser, which is the neem and chanda skin purifying face cleanser. So this comes in the powder form. I used this product for thrice, so it was a little bit overboarding for me, because with the Silk Splash itself I was getting a much result, so I stopped using this one. But when I was using this product, whenever I have a acne, it controlled my acne and it gave me glow. Once I wash my face, it gives that little bit of yellowish thing, but once you wash your face it will go. You don't get any stain thing. If you have extremely oily and acne, you can go ahead and try this cleanser. So you need to just wet your face and massage the product for 4 to 5 minutes and just wash off, just like your face wash in the powder form. So yeah, definitely recommended for oily and acne prone skin. So the next step in this routine I follow is their face pack that I use only twice in a week. So mostly all my problems have been gone through with their face wash and the night gel. So only twice I use their face pack. So the first face pack I have is their eye mint green tea and vetiver nourishing toning pack. So this is what it looks like. So this product is supposed to soak it in curd for 15 minutes. So I have soaked like this. So I'm going to apply this one. So this product contains green tea as its main ingredient and vetiver. So both the ingredients just nourishes my face and calms down my face and acne also. So this product contains pure mint, green tea, vetiver, chironji, mangista and citrus orange, lentils and Indian volcanic clay. So as you can see, it contains volcanic clay also. So the clay just grabs the oil thing, and the green tea helps to maintain my skin from acne, and vetiver hydrates my skin. So all these ingredients makes my skin calm, hydrate, everything. So the face wash maintains my acne issues, and the face pack maintains my calming and hydrating issue. So other than this, I have two other face packs with me. This is their Petal Rose Anti-Tan Rose face pack, which contains Indian ginseng and licorice. So this is what it looks like. It comes in the jar. It's in a paste form. So this is what the product looks like. I have used it twice because I mostly liked their eye mint product, so I have just kept it simple. So this one, if you have a extremely scars or tan issues, you can go ahead and try this one. So this contains Indian rose, Indian ginseng, licorice, honey, and holy basil, and some other different ingredients. These are the main ingredients. Other ingredients, they contain aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, Indian volcanic clay, cold pressed grapeseed oil, China clay, Benetton clay, potassium sorbate, so a lot of other things. This one also gave me a good result of giving a glow to my face and controlled my calmingness and all. So I must recommended product if you have a oily and acne prone skin. So it is a all skin type product. If you whatever skin type is there, you can go ahead and try. If you want a glow thing, you can go ahead and try this one. This is their Sun Face Sandal Glow pack. This contains fennel and vetiver. So the main ingredient it contains is vetiver, which moisturizes your skin. Sandalwood, it gives that super glow to your skin. So this also comes in the paste form. So this is what the product looks like. So in today's video, I'm going to try their eye mint green tea and vetiver face pack, because I'm a big fan of that face pack. So I have already soaked in curd, as I said. So I'm going to apply this product all over my face. So as we mix with the curd, you get extra benefit of moisturizing and controlling your acne. So basically the curd does a great job. So when you mix with this kind of a face pack, it gives that super result. So guys, this is what the face pack looks like when we mix with the curd. So we can mix with the water also, but as they said to mix with the curd, I like to mix with my curd. So I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes. So more than 15 minutes also you can wait, because I don't have time. I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash off, and then I'm gonna wash it with the plain water. So guys, it's been 15 minutes since I applied my face pack. As you can see, it's completely dry. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be back to show you the glow it gave me. So guys, as you can see, the glow the face pack gave me, I feel so clean, squeaky clean and fresh and toned. So now is the time to tone up my face. For that I have two different toners with me. So one is the pomegranate mandarin pore refining toner. As you can see how much I have used. I have just left with the 2 or 3 toning, and the other one is the skin recovery infusion sacred lotus green tea. So the one I mostly used and loved is this one. So let me go with this one first. So this product contains orange, tulsi, mandarin, so which is mandarin orange, bitter orange, lemon and aloe vera, and some other ingredients. So this product is a really great if you have a larger pores. So if you notice in my previous videos, I was having a lot of pores problem here. So this product actually combats that problem, and it tones my face, it control my pore issues, and it actually refreshes my skin. So this toner in the morning and evening, both the times I have been using this toner. So let me talk about this one. So this is the more powerful than the pomegranate one. So I feel this is little bit overboarding for my skin type. So this product contains rose water, steam distilled tulsi water, aloe vera, green tea, sacred lotus, orange, lemon, Indian senna and vegetable glycerin. So this product is really great for people with problematic like acne issues or dry skin type. So this product contains green tea and also it actually is anti-inflammatory properties. If you have a acne prone skin, or if you have a acne, if you want that really powerful ingredient that combats all that problem, this is the one you need to try. So I tried this product, but I felt really great with the pomegranate one. So I have been using this one. So I'm gonna just split all on my face with this toner. So this smells like a pomegranate. and orange, both the combination of that. So let me just pat it with my fingers like that. So now is the time to use this serum. So when my skin is still damp, I use the serum. So this is the Just Herbs Rejuvenating Beauty Elixir Facial Serum. This contains Gotu-Kola Indian Ginseng. So for all skin type, you can go ahead and try this serum. So this serum is a great alternative for vitamin C, like chemically based vitamin C product. So this product itself gives a super calm and radiance to your skin, and it actually fades your scars. So I have been using this product for almost 1.5 months, as I said. So morning and evening I was using the product because it contains only 15 ml. I started only using in the morning time because it's almost over. Like I can use it for 2 to 3. It's super nice, so I have been using that. So this is what the product looks like. It's almost over, guys. Like, so this is what the serum looks like. It's very lightweight. It's gel based serum. So I'm just going to pat it on my skin. So whenever I'm using this serum, I never skip my sunscreen. So even Just Herbs has a sunscreen, such an amazing sunscreen, guys. I'm gonna talk about that. So seriously, it's almost over. I'm been using literally every single day. So as you can see, it doesn't leave any kind of greasiness or oiliness. It's just wet because I have applied on my toner. Still my face is damp like that. So guys, as you can see, the serum is completely soaked into my skin without leaving any kind of greasiness or oiliness. So this product great for people with having hyperpigmentation, pigmentation problem, dull skin, brightening your skin. It helps to brighten your skin, and if it continuous usage, you can see the great result in your fine lines and wrinkles. So it's a all-in-one product. If you have these problems, I am seriously impressed with the serum, guys. I can see the great result on my jawlines and all. So initially when I was facing with the hormonal imbalance, I got so much acne on this jawline. As you can see, it almost completely recovering. It takes a little bit time to show up the result, guys, but once you started using the product, it gives a super result. So I must try a must recommended product. So next we'll be moving on to the moisturizer. I have two different moisturizers for morning and evening. So morning I use this one. This is the Fegel Insta Glow Beauty Gel. So it's a really great moisturizer if you are oily and acne prone skin. So this moisturizer doesn't leave any kind of greasiness or oiliness. It's great for people with oily skin, as I said. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. It comes in the big jar. It contains Indian mandar, cucumber, turmeric and holy basil and honey. So all these ingredients moisturizes your skin thoroughly. So I'm just going to apply a pattern on my hand because I'm just filming this video on the night time. So as you can see, the moisturizer has been completely soaked into my skin without leaving any kind of oiliness or greasiness. So this is a great product in the morning time, I feel. So it seriously moisturizes my skin like anything, guys. So at the night time I have been using this one. This is the Just Herbs Blemish Gel. It is the anti-blemish gel. Contains Indian mandar, fernitary, normal to oily skin. So this is what it looks like. It is great for people with scars, acne issues like that. So as you can see, I have used half of the bottle. So it is also a great product if you are a oily and acne prone skin. So it controls my scars. So I'm gonna use this product on my skin. So the Fegel one I have been using in the daytimes. That's why I showed on my back of my hand. So I'm using the blemish gel right now. So after the serum I use this gel. So guys, as you can see, the product completely absorbed into the skin without leaving any kind of greasiness or oiliness. So I feel really happy with the blemish gel. It actually controlling my acne and acne scars. So it's controlling that. So I have been using this product at night time. So lastly, I have two different products I definitely need to talk about, guys. After my Fegel Insta Glow Gel in the morning, I go with the sunscreen. For the sunscreen, I have been using the Just Herbs No Sun Protection Gel. So such an amazing product. I'm really impressed with the product, guys, because this is a physical sunscreen which contains zinc oxide to protect from UVA and UVB rays. So I have been seriously enjoying with the sunscreen, guys. It's a, as I said, it's a physical sunscreen. So dust white doesn't claim as a SPF, but it actually protects it almost contains 20 to 25% of the broad spectrum thing. So this product comes in very thickest form. So this is what the product looks like. It doesn't leave any kind of white cast. I'm gonna apply over here, guys. So it moisturizes my skin, doesn't leave any kind of greasiness or oiliness, doesn't feel any stickiness, mainly doesn't leave white cast. So that thing makes me apply more and more when I go out. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, once completely absorbed into the skin, it doesn't leave any kind of white cast. So if you're not okay with that white cast, you can definitely go ahead and try the No Sun Protection Gel. It actually protects your skin from your sun rays. So definitely you need to try this sunscreen, guys. I'm a big fan of this sunscreen. As you can see, almost this much I have used the product. As you can see, it doesn't feel any kind of stickiness or oiliness. So you can go through their website, guys. They have a full list of information about this sunscreen. They have mentioned each and every ingredients list or how to use them and why this sunscreen is good for skin. And it contains aloe vera juice, jojoba oil, cold pressed wheat germ, and different ingredients. They have a full list of ingredients with the percentage and also please go through their website, you get a good idea. So other than that, I have a product for dry skin people. So this is their Cascade Moisturizing Day Care Lotion. So this is what it looks like. This is meant for dry skin people. So I have used it once. It was a little bit overing for me, so I stopped using. I used this lotion to test on my arms. It actually made my skin super moisturizing and did not feel any kind of dryness throughout the day. So I was testing everything to tell you guys. I know most of the people here watch is dry skin people, so if you want a moisturizer for you, please go ahead and try this one, guys. So the last and final product in Just Herbs is their makeup product. So this is their Herb Enriched Skin Tint Medium Coverage foundation kind of a thing. It's kind of a BB cream. So this is the first time I'm seeing a BB cream in the Ayurvedic product. So this is what the product looks like. So this is a medium coverage kind of a foundation kind of a thing. So instead of any chemical BB cream, you can go ahead and try this one. It's a medium coverage, guys. You don't see that much coverage, but you can definitely see no cakey face and all. You can definitely go ahead and try this one. So I'm in the shade 03 beige. So this product comes in this kind of a pump form, and this is what the shade 03 beige looks like. So once I blend it on my fingers, so once it's blended, as you can see, it leaves that little bit of coverage to my skin. So as you can see, it completely blended into my skin and leaves that super tint to my skin. So in my next video, I'll show you how to use this with the makeup. So I completely forgot about the lips, guys. For the lips, I have the Just Herbs Marigold Mango Lip Contour Balm. So this is what it looks like. Seriously, a nice lip balm. So I'm going to apply it on my lips. So it actually moisturizes, nourishes my lips throughout the day. You don't need to apply multiple times. I'm a big fan of this lip balm, guys. So I have been using one more thing because I got this lip balm like a buy one get one offer. So I have 2 lip balms with me. So guys, now we have come to the end of this video. I have mentioned every points on Just Herbs products. So completely I love all the products like skincare, hair care and body care. I don't have any cons about the brand at all, because each and every product works like great, like anything, and they don't contain any kind of artificial chemicals or SLS, parabens and all, and no alcohol products. So please go ahead and try their products. Please go through their website, because in their website they have mentioned each and every detail about the products, ingredients with the percentage and how to use them, for what purpose you need to try the product. And for combination skin, they have a combo kit. For dry skin, they have a combo kit. For acne skin, they have a combo kit. So please go through their website. I'm gonna leave the website link in the description box, and the product's name which I used in this video, and the links, price, everything will be given in the description box. So please go to their website and the links. And if you have any doubts, please mention in the description comment section. I will answer it to you. And if you want any other products review like in Just Herbs product, because they have multiple products, do let me know. I will try that one for you also. So hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. I literally enjoy doing this review because I'm seriously impressed with the products. So yeah, hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for keeping till the end. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.